I'm sorry that I bamboozled you and that we have to work today. But we will still do one of those things that you like. And you sit right next to me, see? Look at this. He's like, no, I sit with you. Okay. All right. All right. Now that we're suited up, we can explore. We couldn't explore before. All right, come on. Yeah, you can't be Nike out here. That's in nature. Wanna play some games later? Come on. What do we think? What do we think? We've got the woods. Yep. This nature is interesting. Little fire pit. I'm stepping the pedals. You just want to relax after your long day working on TPS reports. I should pop this video in. Be kind, rewind, thank you. Be kind, rewind. Tell me about your day. You went for a walkie, and then a man and his son came over to fix the fireplace, and they have Frenchies at home. Did they tell us all about their Frenchies and they played with you? Oh, that was a nice surprise. That was a nice surprise, honey. He just got my visitors. It was really nice. Okay. Ow! You got me. I'm really glad that you love this present. It made me laugh. We got it at Petco for everybody asking. Oh! Henry. And the video comes out of the sleeve. Pup Fiction. An instant classic. Hey, you gotta rewind that and put it back in its case. Okay? Ruff. Henry, do you want to play Yahtzee with me? I can roll for your turn. You want to play Yahtzee? I should not hate that game. It made too much noise. We gotta read, Hank. That's our plan. We gotta read. You can watch your movie, but I'm gonna read.